I'm Jamie Horell. I'm a developer here at Abacus Bio, and I've been working here for around 2.5 years. Abacus Bio is an international business that helps animal and plant breeders make better decisions with their breeding strategies. I'm part of the development team, which means that I help create software to help plant and animal breeders keep track of their information. I think a misconception that a lot of students have about internships is that their work isn't going to be valuable to the company. I think a lot of interns have an idea that they're going to be set to their own devices and they may end up as like someone's assistant. When that's really not the case, I think a lot of interns end up communicating with clients, collaborating as a team and learning a lot of valuable skills on the job. I had the misconception that they were going to be looking for the people with the top grades, the best of the class, but that really wasn't the case. I think they were really looking for people who are excited about the work that they were going to be doing during their internship and are excited about the idea of being able to learn while on the job. After the internship ended, they ended up creating a role for me, which felt really good because it sort of proved to myself that I was a valued member of the team and the work that I did was valuable to them. I would really recommend JobDUN internships to other Polytech students as it provides you a really good entry point into the industry and gives you an opportunity to develop and learn over the course of your internship and will give you the experience that you need to come out of it with hopefully a job or at least a very good CV to get one.